Hi, this is Bill Kingsbury, Program and Operations Manager with the Institute for Zen Leadership. I just moved into our new office this week and I wanted to take you on a little video tour. The IZL office is located inside the Daikozen-ji Zen Temple on East Mifflin Street in Madison. The building was originally a church and was acquired by Chosei Zen in 2019. Volunteers have been working to convert the space ever since then, and the work continues to this day. This is the Zendo that was originally the sanctuary of the church, frequently hosting Zazen or Kyudo or other practices. This common area will be a meeting space with a kitchenette, I believe. The view out our back windows is the parking lot and East Mifflin Street. The IZL office was built completely new by the Chosei Zen volunteers. And this is where I sit when I'm answering emails, working on program registrations, editing the newsletter, or many of the other connections with Zen leader practitioners all around the world. It's great to be part of the dojo here. Thank you for coming on this little tour. Bye-bye.